Well, today I'm Mr. Rodder's neighborhood. A project engine that I got for 250 bucks. I was actually kind of happy to get it. It came with a TA intake manifold on it, so I thought it was totally worth it. But I think I may have found the Achilles heel of it, which I'm going to name it another, Southern kind of name. How about Southern Comfort Block? Because I've had 4 of these suckers, and people, let me tell you, put some antifreeze in them. It don't matter where you live, put some antifreeze in them. I'm pretty certain this one's trash too, but we'll find out. And I'll give you the rundown on it. Okay, so I was draining the oil out of the 350 Buick that I had scored a few months ago, right before the Buick Nationals that had the TA intake manifold on it that I put on the super stock motor. And I noticed this. Okay, now that could be nothing, but I'm almost certain that that is a crack in between the two expansion plugs. Just by looking at it, it looks like antifreeze or water or whatever you want to have. It's been running out of there for quite some time. But I'm going to dig into it and we're going to find out if it's cracked or not. I was hoping to use this block. I actually have a set of forged 30/350 Buick pistons, and I was going to build a SP similar Buick 350, which is the SP code Buick 350, which is a 70 motor. This is a 73 block, but I don't think it really matters. If you're going to bore it and then you're going to do a little bit of machine work to it, it'd be pretty easy to make a high compression one. So these are old set of TRW Forge. They don't make anymore, or Speed Pro, but either way, they don't make them anymore. And I thought this was going to be a good candidate for it, but apparently this block is cracked. I'm not entirely sure, and I might be able to have it repaired. It just depends how bad the crack is and if it'll ever seal up. So give me a few minutes and we'll dig into it. Okay, so all these small block Buicks I've had that have been cracked are generally cracked in the same place. I don't know if this one's necessarily cracked. We're going to find out now, but it looks to be that way. Just by the running rust coming down the side of the block. But they always seem to crack right here behind or near the motor mount, which is where the bottom of the water jacket is. I don't know why. I'm assuming that it's something in the South. People put just water in them. I've never had one cracked until I moved down here to Tennessee area. And now it seems like every single one of them I get is cracked. But we're going to find out if this is really cracked and how bad it is. Oh yeah, she's split big time. All right, there you go. So cracked all along the entire bottom of the water jacket. It even extends up under this freeze plug here and all the way across to just about right there. But is it salvageable? Yeah, I could probably take that to the machine shop and they might be able to weld that up or pin it and repair that. But is it really worth it? I don't know. I might be able to get another block for the price it costs just to fix this one. Meaning that everything on this engine is pretty much just parts now. And unfortunately, without, really taking it in to get it checked out, to see how bad it really could be. But my opinion, I usually end up taking it to the salvage yard, to be honest with you. So there's this one. I bet it's probably cracked on the other side too. I didn't even look yet. I just saw this running rust when I was changing the oil, and that got me thinking that there's probably a crack in the block. So yay. All right, so I'll see you later. Oh, hey, and don't forget, we're having an event called the No Name Nationals, Sykeston, Missouri, September 30th, October 1st. It's at Jeffers Motorsports Park. You can pre-register on nonamenationals.com. You can even buy pre-registered spectator tickets on there. You'll save yourself $5 on the spectator ticket. At the gate, it's going to be $20. Pre-registered is $15 a day. So make sure you head on over to nonamenationals.com and get yourself enrolled.